Hi there, Shauna Lynn Simon here from Beyond the Stage Homes, and I am here with this week's Around the House Tip of the Week, and I'm coming to you from Living Lighting in Kitchener on Fairway Road. They are having their fan sale, and with springtime finally here, now is the best time to get those fans for your home. So I thought I would speak with Sarah here as an expert about these fans and find out what you need to know all about selecting a fan. So Sarah, if you could please tell us a little bit about what are some of the questions that you ask your clients when they first come in here looking for a fan?
When our clients first come into the showroom, any information they have with them is great because we always ask, what's the ceiling height? What's the size of the room? What's the application the fan's being used in, whether it being indoor or outdoor rated? For example, if it's being used in the bedroom, how high are your ceilings? Very important. If you've got a slope ceiling or a flat ceiling. If you need a hugger, so for example, this is an example of a hugger fan we've got here. So this will sit flush on your ceiling. So if you've got lower ceilings, these will be close mounted to the ceiling. A lot of people don't know this about huggers. They don't circulate air as well as, for example, a drop ceiling. So if you do have higher ceilings and have the ceiling height or slope ceiling to do a drop ceiling, we highly recommend it to maximize the airflow of the space. And just another example, fans will come in a variety of different finishes and sizes, so any information you have is great, so we can help you here, and any of the staff could help you here, selecting the perfect fan for your space.
So now, what if I have really high ceilings?
If you have really high ceilings, we can get down rods for any of our fans in a variety of different lengths, sort of starting at an 18-inch and all the way going up to a 48-inch. We more or less recommend staying away from a 48-inch just so you don't get that wobbling of a fan. We prefer to stay at a 36-inch if we have to, so we can drop a fan down. And even if you have slope ceiling, we do sell adapters to adapt any fans to sit on a slope ceiling.
Awesome.
Obviously, you don't have that option with a hugger at all. That's got to be on a flat ceiling for sure.
Fair enough. So now, what is your favorite fan out of all of these fans here? I mean, if you guys can take a look, there's a ton of fans to choose from. And I know they have even more that aren't even on the floor as well. So what would be your ultimate favorite fan?
My favorite fan is, we actually have them in two colors right now. We've got them in the brushed nickel with the walnut blades. These are actually hand carved balsa wood. And then we've got it in the black finish. They're actually indoor and outdoor rated for damp location fans. I just love how sleek these fans are. They've also, because of the design of the blades, have a really good airflow and air circulation. So going to really keep you cool with those hot summer days coming up.
Awesome. Now I do notice that these are part of the fan sale. They're on special. How long is that fan sale going on for?
That fan sale will actually, our big fan sale will start in June. So all of June we'll have our big fan sale.
Awesome.
These two here will be on sale for quite a long time because we've got a special on from that company, so we'll be passing those savings on to our customers.
Amazing. Now, as one final thought, is there something cool and new and exciting that's going on in fans today? I know I see this one up here that doesn't look like a traditional fan, but this is the fan here, right?
Yeah, this is a fan here. This one's really nice. Fortunately, we can't hook up our fans or they'll all be bumping into each other, but yeah, this one has a light kit built in it into a mini fan. So if you really don't like the look of a fan, we sort of have this drum-looking shade fixture here, and really nice and sleek. Just different from your, everyday fan where you see either 3 or 2 blades or even 5 blades on it.
So now a fan like that, I'm guessing that would probably be better in a smaller space. It probably doesn't have quite the same span.
It would be better in a smaller space, just because of the size of the blades. Very small, so it doesn't push a lot of air. So even if you've got a nice dining table and you want airflow over it, this will be a great fan because you've got something a little more interesting and you're still going to get a great airflow out of it.
Perfect. Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Sarah, for taking the time to explain all this to our audience. And again, you guys were at Living Lighting on Fairway Road in Kitchener. Come on out and check it out. They've got a great selection, and any sort of lighting needs that you have, these guys are the experts. So please come and say hello to them and tell them that Beyond the Stage Home sent you, and enjoy the rest of your wonderful, hopefully not too hot day. Thank you.